right, welcome to the Decentralized Daily podcast, where you get your daily dose of cryptocurrency news and information. The crypto news that matters to you. Nothing on this program should be confused with investment advice, because we don't give you any. It's not that kind of show, guys. Just the facts here, just the facts. So sit back, relax, gather your thoughts, and prepare yourself for today's market movers in cryptocurrency. Alrighty, guys, according to CoinMarketCap.com, we got Bitcoin coming in at number one at $8,746.30. Up 3.24%. At number two, Ethereum at $851, up 0.86 cents. Ripple at number three. Ripple is down 0.25%. Bcash in four, that's $1,244.39, down 1.19%. We got Cardano at number five. Cardano is at 37 cents and down 2.22%. Let's take a look at our news in cryptocurrency today. What's the news on Google? So one of the top articles on Google is the Cointelegraph article breaking down Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bcash, Ripple, Stellar, Litecoin, Cardano, Neo, and EOS for price analysis for February of 2012. I'm going to read you the first couple of lines from each of these, not to go into too much depth, but to give you guys a broad-based idea of where they think that Bitcoin is going. So currently the price is likely to face resistance at the downtrend line and above it. So at the 20-day EMA, we expect $8,600 to $9,400 level to be a real test for the bulls. If they succeed in breaking out of this zone, a quick rally to 12,000 might take place, where it will again face resistance from the 50-day SMA and the resistance line of the descending channel. Therefore, the traders can wait for the breakout above 9,500 to buy. Stop loss for the trade should be kept at 7,800. Profit objective is to move to $12,000 Bitcoin. Fantastic. ETH. The ETH USD pair is likely to face resistance at $911, $911 from the 20-day EMA, and at $980 from the 50-day SMA. Above these levels, the price may move to the resistance line of the descending channel at about $1,050. Bcash. Bcash has been trading in small range for the past 4 days. It might resolve with a large range day either to the upside or the downside. If the large range day goes downside, we'd rather avoid doing anything. Hold. But if the BCH USD pair breaks out of the downtrend line and the 20-day EMA, it will signal a short-term bottom which can be traded. Therefore, we think the long position at 1,400 with a stop loss of 1,100 might be a smart move. The profit objective of this trade is to rally to the $1,925 to $2,000 levels. Let's take a look at Litecoin. If the price breaks out over 175, it will clear the resistance levels of the 20-day EMA in the downtrend line and the horizontal line. We believe this is a significant development. We reiterate our recommendation to initiate long positions if the LTC USD pair holds above the 178 levels for 4 hours. The stop loss for the trade can be kept at 130. On the upside, $200 is the resistance. If the cryptocurrency struggles at this level, we should close position or tighten the stops. Once the bulls break out of 200, we might see a rally at 307. This according to Cointelegraph.com. Let's take a look at Microsoft in the news. Anytime you see Microsoft in the news with cryptocurrencies, you got to kind of really appreciate the level at which this is breaking into the mainstream, breaking into a place where an organization probably felt like they held the entire industry, and it's just being completely blindsided by their young developers from the top down, bottom up, inside out, all around. every single day. So in this new post, this is straight today, Microsoft announced to embrace a public blockchain such as Bitcoin and Ethereum for the use in decentralized identity systems. Initially, the long-term tech giant will support the blockchain-based decentralization IDs, or DIDs, through the Microsoft Authentication app. They're quoted as saying, after examining decentralized storage systems, consensus protocols, blockchains, and a variety of emerging standards, we believe the blockchain technology and protocols are well suited for enabling decentralized IDs. All right, so very interesting stuff, guys. Decentralized IDs. So take this into context. When you go to your doctor's office, they want you to give you your social security number, right? This is your unique identifier that identifies you, but it also gives your social security number, right, to the lady at the front desk. So this is an issue. So with a decentralized ID system, not only will you be able to get the unique care that you need, and the doctor will be able to check out your records and identify you as a unique individual and treat you as a unique individual, but the security element throughout the entire process is going to be much, much higher. No one's going to have access to your social security number. All right, next news article that we got today, guys, cryptocurrency crackdown in New Jersey. So, as the promise of moderated regulation helped the price of Bitcoin rebound over $8,800, U.S. regulators are continuing their crackdown on firms in the cryptocurrency space. On Friday, the New Jersey Bureau of Securities ordered Bitcoin-related investment pool BitsTrade to stop offering goods in New Jersey. According to the regulator, BitsTrade, which claims to take customers' Bitcoin and invest the funds in the stock market, had been offering the equivalent of securities but had not registered with the New Jersey government. The New Jersey order, however, did not stop BitsTrade from marketing its wares outside of the state. Further fueling suspicions, the company listed an address in Redland, California, which does not exist, the state securities regulator said. We want to make sure that investors tempted to cash in on the cryptocurrency rage aren't being lured into sending funds to an anonymous internet entity without knowing where their funds are going or how they'll be used. And this is from the New Jersey General Guar. BitsTrade has no named executives, although its internet site claims it guarantees you up to 10% returns. So a guarantee of up to 10% returns. Also a guarantee of nothing. Right? The more you invest, the more profit you will receive, is a quote from the website. BitsTrade claims on its website that it has received some $802,000 in investments so far. Where is this money coming from, people? Anytime you get a guarantee of returns, that's the first sign. The first thing you should be thinking of is Mr. Ponzi. Every single time. Think about him sitting in jail wondering when the maid is going to come in and turn his sheets down. It's a problem. There's no such thing as guaranteed returns, guys. So don't get into them. And that does it for Decentralized Daily today. I appreciate you guys tuning in every day. We're growing leaps and bounds. Please check us out on YouTube. Check us out on iTunes. Check us out at Decentralized Talk, at DTalk Podcast on Twitter, and at DTalk Podcast on Facebook. We'd love to get to know you guys a little bit better. Leave us some information. Give us some questions. We'll do the research. We'll find out for you, and we'll put it in the podcast. Special shout out to the Watchmen Review. We're going to be doing an interview with Ivan from the Watchmen Review here on the Big Show. We're going to be recording and taping that interview this week, so get ready for that. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence, and where is that going? What is it doing? It's a great resource in the space, so look forward to that, guys. It's coming up. It'll be out next Sunday. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll talk to you again next time.